Well, our ride got cut short today because of the storm, and it's hailing, and there was lightning and thunder really close. And Mr. Cody, he doesn't care. He's super chill. He's hanging out. He's just listening, but he really doesn't care. So, this is how good he is. He's such a good boy. That's massive hail. We'll see if we get another lightning strike. Cody, say hi to the people. He's so chill. And he wore his boots. He wore all 4 boots for the first time today. Hopefully you guys will hear the voice. All 4 boots on. Mr. Man. He's super awesome. Alright, signing off.